Calling it the end of day 9, April 16th, Saturday, Easter weekend. We did a little over 14 today. We're gonna do a little more, but logistically there's a little gas station in about a half a mile. So we're gonna stop in there in the morning, grab a few snacks, some water, and we're gonna try to hit a goal of 18 tomorrow. But today's was an amazing day. I hit Trail Magic about 7 miles in. That was really awesome. Yay and Jaws and Night Walker. Yeah, those are their names. Sat there for around an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then walked on and walked through this really cool prairie. Thought that was neat. Never set up tents back there. And then went to Eagle Rock. And then came down this, been walking by this little creek. And it's the first time we've been able to camp by water. So, pretty cool night. It's about 6:30, maybe 6, I don't know. We're gonna get up early though. So, all in all, really good day. I mean, nice and cool. Really windy today, but made it cooler, so. Good morning. Day 9, April 16th. Heading out from our camp. It was nice last night. The wind picked up, blew all night. It's a little chilly this morning. We're gonna head out. Hit the 100-mile point today. You're probably not hearing this because of the wind, so I'll have to dub it all over. But, catch you later. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll never see anything that high again. Nice view this morning. Talking about food. Trail Magic. Dave and the rest. Awesome. Thanks. First water crossing on the PCT. Walking by this stream for maybe about a mile now, and then half a mile to go. I don't think I saw this on far out. Huh. What is dinner tonight?
We are having Thanksgiving on trail, and it is going to be mixed with ramen.
Thanksgiving, what means what?
We are having turkey stuffing, mashed potatoes, gravy, and actually we didn't bring a chicken packet, so it's not quite the whole Thanksgiving dinner, but